Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the sugar-free Gulab Jamun Yule logs. I used to make it with sugar. I tried the sugar-free version and it came out just as well. To begin, mix together 1 cup milk powder, half a cup all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking soda and 2 tablespoons of oil in a large bowl. Knead it using about quarter cup of water. Add more if required. Make sure the dough is not too soft. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the sugar-free syrup. Mix together 2 cups artificial sweetener, 1 cup water and 2 teaspoons corn flour. I have used sugar-free Natura Cook and Bake for this recipe. Make sure there are no lumps. Bring it to a boil. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Keep aside. To prepare the grass, add a few drops of green food color in half a cup of desiccated coconut. Mix well and keep aside. Once the dough is well rested, roughly shape it into logs. Heat oil for deep frying. Add the logs at medium to low heat. Do not move them around until they rise to the top. Deep fry until brown in color. Add them into the warm syrup and spoon the liquid over the logs. I made sure that the quantity of the syrup is less so that they don't disintegrate. Now arrange the logs on a serving dish, placing them on the bed of the green coconut. Dust some sugar on top and place a few glazed cherries on the sides. The sugar-free Gulab Jamun Yule logs are ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.